Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to take control of the Windows 11 Start menu. Microsoft has tried to reinvent the Start menu with every version of Windows since the horrible Windows 8 Metro interface. And they did it again with Windows 11. Why are they trying so hard to look like an Apple Mac? Like many Windows users, I found myself increasingly frustrated with the Windows 11 Start menu. How did they ever think this was a useful Start menu? Fortunately, Start11 by Stardock software allows you to take complete control over the Windows Start menu and taskbar. Start11 offers multiple different menu styles for both Windows 10 and 11, allowing you to personalize your Start menu experience completely. You can even kick it old school with the Windows 7 style Start menu. One feature I particularly appreciate is the ability to pin documents and folders directly to the taskbar without awkward workarounds. And you can also adjust icon sizes to improve clarity and accessibility. Another cool feature of Start11 is that it can be installed on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. To get started, just download the free trial. Honestly, the price is very reasonable and the license allows you to install it on 5 computers. The installation goes pretty quickly. It will be over before you even realize it. You will be prompted to reboot after the installation completes. To activate your license, just enter the license number and the email address you used to sign up. After activating the license, you can control the various options, starting with switching the Start menu and taskbar back to the left side instead of in the middle. Obviously, you can change it back later if you want. Next, you can choose the appearance of the Start menu. I'm rocking the Windows 7 Start menu on my PC. Be sure to step through the various options available. You really have full control. But the best part is you can just use the defaults if you prefer. Stardock software is very proactive with updates and enhancements. It will automatically notify you when a new update is available. I have been using Stardock's Start menu since Windows 8. It really is the best Windows Start menu replacement. If you decide to buy it, please use the affiliate link in the description. I really appreciate your support. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next tech review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.